Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Are you ready to discover the world's top 5 best front and rear dashcams with parking mode? Today, I'm going to walk you through a lineup of cutting-edge dashcams that offer unparalleled security and peace of mind on the road. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, having a reliable dashcam can make all the difference. From crystal clear video quality to advanced parking surveillance features, these cams are designed to keep you and your vehicle safe. Stay tuned as we explore each model in detail to help you find the perfect match for your needs. So, check the link in the description below for more information and let's dive right in. Number 1. Vantru N4 3-channel dashcam, the ultimate solution for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. Engineered to excel as the best front and rear dashcam with parking mode, the N4 combines cutting-edge technology with versatile functionality. Equipped with 3 cameras, a 4K front camera, 1440p front and interior cameras, and a 1080p rear camera, it offers unmatched coverage, ensuring all angles around your vehicle are captured in stunning clarity. Whether you're a rideshare driver needing interior coverage for passenger safety or a commuter seeking reliable front and rear recording capabilities, the N4 delivers with precision. The standout features include its infrared night vision capability, powered by a high-performance Starvis CMOS sensor and IR LEDs, ensuring clear footage even in complete darkness. Its 24-hour parking mode, supported by a supercapacitor, provides continuous monitoring and automatic recording upon detection of motion or collision, safeguarding your vehicle when parked. Installation is effortless with included cables suitable for most vehicle types, and the device is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring durability in any climate. Moreover, the N4 boasts advanced features such as loop recording, G-sensor technology for impact detection, and optional GPS integration for precise location tracking. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support, Vantru ensures peace of mind with regular firmware updates and a commitment to customer satisfaction. For those seeking the best-in-class dashcam with comprehensive coverage and robust features like 4K resolution, night vision, and extensive parking mode options, the Vantru N4 stands out as a reliable witness to any on-road or off-road incidents. Number 2. Redtiger F7 NP Dashcam, your ultimate companion for road safety and peace of mind. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this dual dash cam captures stunning 4K Ultra HD video from the front camera, coupled with crisp 1080p Full HD from the rear, ensuring every detail on the road is recorded with clarity. With a wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear angle coverage, it minimizes blind spots, making it ideal for safeguarding against unexpected incidents like collisions by providing clear evidence when needed. Even in low-light conditions, its f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology deliver remarkable night vision, ensuring key details are vividly captured. Connecting seamlessly via Wi-Fi to the intuitive Redtiger app on iOS or Android devices, the F7 NP allows easy viewing, playback, and management of footage. You can download and edit videos directly within the app, and effortlessly share your travel experiences with friends and family. For added assurance, its built-in GPS records real-time driving route and speed, viewable via Google Maps through the app or the included GPS player software for Windows and Mac, providing additional evidence in case of accidents. Backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 technical support, Redtiger demonstrates their commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability. The F7 NP Dashcam is not just a device but a comprehensive solution tailored for those seeking the best front and rear dashcam with parking mode, ensuring your journeys are captured with clarity and security every step of the way. Number 3. Suvcon 3-channel dashcam, your ultimate companion for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. This triple dash cam is designed to provide complete coverage with its 170 degrees wide-angle front camera, 150 degrees cabin camera, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera, effectively minimizing blind spots for a safer driving experience. Equipped with an IPS panel screen, it ensures crystal clear viewing from any angle without distortion. One of its standout features is the advanced parking monitor and G-sensor technology, which automatically triggers emergency recording and locks footage in the event of sudden impacts or vibrations while your vehicle is parked. The dashcam's loop recording capability ensures continuous recording by overwriting the oldest footage when the storage limit is reached, facilitated by the included 32GB SD card. Enhanced with superior WDR technology and 4 infrared LEDs for the interior camera, the Subcon dashcam delivers clear footage even in low-light conditions, while HDR technology optimizes image quality in varying light settings. Installation is hassle-free with its plug-and-play design, making it easy to mount on your windshield. The intuitive interface and user-friendly controls further enhance convenience, ensuring straightforward operation for users of all levels. Ideal for those seeking the best front and rear dashcam with parking mode, the Subcon 3-channel dashcam combines robust features with user-friendly design, offering peace of mind on the road with its comprehensive coverage and advanced functionalities. Number 4. GKA Dashcam Front and Rear Camera D600, your ultimate companion for comprehensive car surveillance. With its impressive 4K Ultra HD front camera and 2.5K rear camera, this dashcam ensures crystal clear footage of your journeys. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens and f1.8 aperture, coupled with WDR night vision, guarantee exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions, capturing every detail for your safety. One standout feature is its seamless integration with the JarvisCam app, offering live streaming, video downloads, and easy sharing on social media platforms. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability allows effortless control and customization from your Android or iOS device, making it a breeze to manage recordings and settings on the go. The D600 boasts essential safety features like G-sensor technology, which automatically locks and saves footage in the event of collisions, ensuring critical moments are never lost. Its 24-hour parking monitoring function, when paired with a hardwire kit sold separately, provides continuous surveillance, offering peace of mind even when your vehicle is parked. Designed with user convenience in mind, the D600 features a discreet, behind-the-mirror mount that minimizes obstruction while driving. Installation is straightforward, suitable for both novice and experienced users alike. Moreover, its heat-resistant build and support for up to 256GB microSD cards ensure durability and ample storage capacity for extended recording sessions. Backed by a 12-month warranty and dedicated customer support, the GKA Dashcam D600 is not just a camera but a reliable guardian for your vehicle, ensuring you're always protected on the road. Ideal for those seeking the best front and rear dashcam with parking mode, the D600 sets a new standard in automotive safety and surveillance technology. Number 5. Ombre DC42, the ultimate solution for comprehensive car surveillance with its front and rear dual dashcam system. Boasting a front camera capable of recording in stunning UHD 4K resolution at a wide 170 degrees angle, and a rear camera capturing in crisp FHD 1080p at 150 degrees, this device ensures every detail on the road is captured, including crucial license plates and road signs. The advanced WDR and Super Night Vision technologies, powered by the NT96670 chipset and GC4653 sensor with f1.8 aperture, deliver clear footage even in low-light conditions, providing reliable coverage day and night. Equipped with built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, the Ombre DC42 allows seamless connectivity and precise location tracking. Utilize the free Kakam app to control the dashcam, view and download videos directly to your phone, compatible with both iPhone and Android, and manage settings effortlessly. The GPS feature records your driving route and speed, enhancing the accuracy of incident reporting. With a 64GB TF card included and support for up to 512GB formatted, the dashcam ensures continuous recording via loop recording and autolocking of files during collisions using the G-sensor. Ideal for monitoring your vehicle around the clock, the Ombre DC42 features a 24-hour parking mode, hardwire kit required, and operates reliably in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, thanks to its supercapacitor design. Backed by a full 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, Ombre guarantees peace of mind with this essential car accessory. Whether you're looking for the best front and rear dashcam with parking mode or seeking enhanced safety on the road, the Ombre DC42 stands out as a dependable choice for every driver. In conclusion, choosing the best front and rear dashcam with parking mode is crucial for ensuring your vehicle's safety and peace of mind. Whether you prioritize advanced features like dual-channel recording, night vision, or reliable parking surveillance, each option reviewed here offers unique benefits tailored to different needs. Remember, investing in a high-quality dashcam not only protects your vehicle but also provides valuable evidence in unforeseen circumstances. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your thoughts and experiences. Share this video with others seeking updated information on dashcams for more informative content in the future.